I love me a big drill. Crystalline caverns, the jewel of Hoxus. I just like working with my hands. Hazard 5, it's tough, but I'm tougher.
It's time to extract an Umaran. Escort the Drilldozer to it, strip the outer layers,
Ew,
and
the
bring
hell
back
is
the
that?
heartstone
This
inside.
better be worth it. Gotta have it. That's it, Bob. Drill deep. I can use this. Loot bug, open. Woo, baby. Thirsty Drilldozer gets the oil.
We've got a blocked landing site for the supply pod. Get it cleared out, miner.
Whoa, this stuff is weird. I love it. This makes me feel all cozy and safe. I want it. This works. It'll do. Suck on this, you freaking nature!
LZ clear. Supplies
Didn't see that
inbound.
coming, sucker! Ha ha ha! This is my pit. Need it! I'm a better dwarf than yesterday. I found a gold vein. I can't get enough of this rare stuff. Die, freak! I rarely go for this one. Put a bit of extra kick in it.
Prepare to fight for your life. A big swarm is approaching.
I die a little inside every time I have to take a... Come and get me, you big fucking Darn hipster! You don't see these every day. Oh, give me those snappy
The
things.
scanner just lit up like a Christmas tree. We got a swarm incoming.
Boom, baby! Hell yeah! Power up my kin courses through me. Legendary! I knew today was gonna be good. Crawl back to hell! Just the upgrade I was looking for. Yes! Feels rare, feels right. See ya later! Sure, why not? Alien, go! Think you can kill me? Think again! No way! A legendary! I'll take it! Think you could kill me? Well, think again! Thunderbird, go! You ugly son of a bitch! Beat your maker, Grape! Shoot it in the face! Dibs! Point on it! Feels like a brand new gun now.
Objective completed.
Now this is a rare treat. You don't see these every day. Dibbity dibs. I already feel strong. I'll take it.
We got bugs, signs the likes of which I've never seen.
It's calling to me.
Got an obstacle ahead. Use those explosives to clear the way.
Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait! Oh, don't die, man! Swallow this! I'm not... Got it! Huzzah! Don't want some
My
more!
scanner is overloading, Miner. Get a move on.
Epic upgrade! That's a no-brainer! I already feel stronger! Feels rare, feels right. Put a bit of extra kick in it. This will help me work harder. Sorry, Liz.
All charges
Your own
set.
fault for
Duck and
being
cover. It's about to get loud.
boom, boom!
Objective completed, Miner. Get to the
I'll
drop
take
pod
this
before
one.
it heads back to orbit.
Overclock time, baby! Why between the eyes? I'm a better dwarf than yesterday. Say hello to my little friend. Nice. I'll take it. Pay for it. This upgrade's gonna change my life.
The drop pod is about to leave.
gonna
Get
go
your
with
ass
this.
moving, Miner.
Bring the fight!
Excellent. Time to go to stage 2.
Lock it in! I already feel stronger. Gotta have it! What else we got? I've been dreaming of something like this. Show me more! I can't get enough of this rare stuff. Overclock says it's time to kill. Feels rare, feels right.
Nicely done. We're on schedule. Starting stage 2.
This is a friggin' hellhole. Drill, drill, drill!
Big swarm detected. Lock up and get ready.
You're dead. This one's so mean.
Can't land the supply pod. Impact zone is cluttered. Get it fixed.
I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna kill you all. Yes, please. You want some more? Here, have a bullet in the foot.
Good work. Supply pod inbound.
Oh, yeah. I drop kill. Need it. Red sugar. Tough choice. Ew. Never felt better.
Swarm detected. Get ready. They'll be with you shortly.
See you later! break shit! There's a Jadis here! Lock it in!
Big swarm detected. Lock up and get ready.
Think you could kill me? Well, think again! Take that! See you in hell! This is perfect for the build. That will teach you! Go to hell! Spook you ugly son of a bitch! Just the other...
You're blocked. Set your charges and clear a way for the bomb unit.
This boom is gonna be awesome! You lock down!
Objective completed.
He's dead! Think you can kill me? Think again! I needed that. It's a little extra special.
All explosives armed. Get to minimum safe distance. Well done. Objective completed. Drop pod has arrived. Get there now. It will leave without you.
Bring the pie! This one's so mean. You're cute, but you're dead. I'm gonna kill you all! Yeehaw! This is it!
Stage 2 completed. Tracking on.
Epic upgrade? That's a no-brainer. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Let's shake it up. I'll take this one. Put a bit of extra kick in it. Now this is a rare. I'm feeling lucky. I can't get enough of this rare stuff.
We are here for the heart of the Amaran, Miner. Get the Drilldozer into position. Let's get it done.
You were thirsty, weren't you, old boy?
Supply pod prepped. Clear out the landing zone and triangulate your position so it can land.
That's the stuff! You're doing it, Bob!
One crate of goodies on the way, Miner.
I feel stronger. Die! I feel violence. You're ugly.
Prepare to fight for your life. Big swarm is approaching.
I've been dreaming of something like this. Yeah, we got the hoarder. Oh yeah, now we're talking.
Swarm detected. Get ready. We'll be with you shortly.
Eat dead! I'm gonna kill you all. Gonna beat my nails to match it. Let's show them some pain! Think you can drill! This one's so mean! Die on
Swarm detected. Get ready. We'll be with you shortly.
Bloody hell, you're hot to kill! Go to hell! I'm gonna kill you all! one! Swallow this! I rarely pick one of these. Vaporize! Boom, baby! That's it, Bob! Drill deep! It's a little extra special.
This is it. The Amaran Showdown. You know your job. Bring back that heartstone.
Airlock's beard! Look at that thing!
You've triggered some kind of defense mechanism from the Amaran. Protect the dozer at all
Dozer
costs.
stop! Those damn beamers! Ah, I got it in the mouth! Bring it, Beckers! Shoot to kill! This one makes me want to be a better dwarf. Think you can kill me?
Watch out. Energy spike. We got beamers. Blast those things.
The dozer stop! Those damn beamers! Die! Meet the maker crate! You want some more? Ooh-wee! Not too shabby!
The Amaran is forming beamers. Take them out before they destroy the Bob unit.
The hell are those? Hey, get away from Bob! Hello and goodbye. You want some more? I got it! Meet your maker, crate! One down! Oh yeah, now we're talking! What?
Well done. Objective completed. Drop pod has arrived. Get there now. Objective completed. Get yourself home now.
Oh, baby! Time for some polish! My new tool!